I mentioned VOCs, its impact from plastic burning. What is this? What are VOCs? Why are we only talking about? Why do we only hear about PM 2.5? When I started looking at this issue, it was called TSP, total suspended particulates. Then it became SPM, suspended particulate matter. Then it became PM10, then PM 2.5. This indicates also that in East Asia or in Southeast Asia, the capacity of air quality management and the issues themselves have matured significantly. So compared to other regions, developing country regions in the world or developing regions in the world, in Southeast Asia, much has changed. And also the capacity of the government officials who are working on this topic and the technology that they have and what they monitor. So now, maybe one of the first times that we will be discussing this, or it is now being mainstreamed, we are going to talk about volatile organic compounds. And our colleague from the Network Center in Japan will give this presentation for us. Dr. Zhu, please, the floor is yours.